Top 7 inflammatory foods to avoid for arthritis and joint pain. Did you know that the food you eat can make arthritis symptoms worse? Arthritis is a condition that causes joint pain, stiffness, and swelling. Many things can cause arthritis, like getting older, your family history, lifestyle, and what you eat. In this video, we'll tell you which inflammatory foods to avoid if you have arthritis. Stick around until the end to find out about these foods, and we'll also share some easy tips to help with this condition. So, let's learn some valuable information that can improve how you feel. Number 7. Sugar. Sugar is an inflammatory food that can exacerbate joint pain and swelling. It also contributes to weight gain, which can put additional pressure on the joints and worsen arthritis symptoms. When you consume sugar, your body releases insulin, a hormone that helps transport sugar into cells. However, excessive sugar intake can overwhelm your body's ability to handle all that insulin, leading to sugar accumulation in the blood. This can lead to inflammation, which may damage the joints and cause pain. If you have arthritis, it's crucial to limit your sugar intake. You can achieve this by reading food labels and opting for low sugar options. Also, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet, which contain natural sugars and nutrients, can be beneficial. Here are some examples of sugary foods to avoid: sugary drinks like sodas, boxed juices, and energy drinks, sweets such as cakes, pies, cookies, and candies, processed foods like chips, instant noodles, and canned soups. Number 6. Saturated and trans fats. Saturated fat is commonly found in animal-based foods such as meat, poultry, and dairy, as well as in some plant-based foods like coconut and palm oil. On the other hand, trans fat is predominantly present in processed foods such as French fries, snacks, and cookies, but it can also be found in some animal-based products like meats and dairy. Consuming saturated and trans fats can release inflammatory chemicals in the body, which can cause joint damage and pain. Additionally, these types of fats can significantly increase the risk of developing heart diseases and other chronic conditions. To reduce the intake of saturated and trans fats, it is advisable to incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids into the diet. Fish, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of these beneficial fatty acids and can contribute to promoting cardiovascular health. Number 5. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are a type of carbohydrate that undergoes processing, resulting in the removal of most of its nutritional value. These foods are often rich in sugar, empty calories, and unnecessary calories. Examples of such foods include sweets, sugary beverages, cookies, and cakes. When we consume refined carbohydrates, our body quickly digests and absorbs them. This can lead to spikes in blood sugar, followed by sharp drops, which can trigger inflammation and cause discomfort in the joints. Furthermore, excessive consumption of refined carbohydrates is associated with a higher risk of developing heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. It is essential to avoid excessive consumption of refined carbohydrates. Instead, opt for healthier sources of carbohydrates such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Number 4. Processed foods. Processed foods are those that have undergone alterations from their natural state. They may be packaged, cooked, or preserved in various ways. These foods tend to be high in calories, salt, sugar, and fat while lacking essential nutrients. Consuming processed foods can lead to increased inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms. This is because they often contain inflammatory compounds like trans fats, nitrates, and sulfites. Moreover, their consumption can contribute to weight gain, placing additional pressure on the joints and exacerbating arthritis discomfort. If you have arthritis, it's essential to limit the intake of processed foods. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed food options. Preparing your meals at home can also be beneficial. Here are some examples of foods to avoid if you have arthritis: processed meats like bacon, sausages, and ham. Ready-to-eat soups and convenience meals. Foods packaged in plastic or aluminum. Number 3. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption can exacerbate inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms due to its detrimental effects on the body. It has the potential to damage joint cartilage and bones, while also contributing to weight gain, adding unnecessary pressure on the joints. Besides, alcohol can lead to dehydration, causing discomfort and stiffness in the joints. Furthermore, it can interfere with the effectiveness of arthritis medications. If you have arthritis, it's vital to limit your alcohol intake. Opt for drinking only on special occasions or in moderation to minimize its impact. Examples of alcoholic beverages to be avoided if you have arthritis include beer, wine, whiskey, vodka, tequila, rum, gin, liqueurs, and alcoholic drinks containing caffeine, such as red wine and beer. Number 2. Red meat. Red meat is high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can lead to increased inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms. Additionally, red meat may contain inflammatory compounds like cytokines and free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage when present in excess in the body. They are naturally produced during metabolism and can also be found in external sources such as air pollution and smoking. The oxidative stress caused by free radicals can contribute to joint inflammation, exacerbating arthritis symptoms. Cytokines, on the other hand, are proteins that play a crucial role in the immune system's response to infections and inflammations. However, an imbalance and an excess of inflammatory cytokines can lead to chronic joint inflammation due to an inappropriate immune response. To promote joint health, it's essential to limit red meat consumption and consider other protein sources. Options like fish, tofu, beans, and lentils provide beneficial nutrients and can help reduce inflammation, potentially improving arthritis symptoms and enhancing overall well-being. Number 1. Dairy. You might find it surprising to see dairy on this list, considering it contains several beneficial nutrients such as calcium. But it also contains a protein called casein, which can lead to inflammation and joint pain, and even irritate the joints. Besides, some dairy items, like butter, are high in saturated fat, further contributing to inflammation and joint discomfort. For those with arthritis, it's essential to consider healthier dairy alternatives. Soy milk and almond milk are excellent substitutes. They offer a variety of nutrients without the inflammatory effects of casein. These plant-based milk alternatives can be a more beneficial choice for individuals looking to manage arthritis symptoms and improve their joint health. In addition, incorporating other calcium-rich sources into your diet can help maintain strong bones and support joint function. Foods like leafy greens, kale, collard greens, spinach, fortified plant-based milk, tofu, almonds, and sesame seeds are excellent options to ensure adequate calcium intake without relying solely on dairy. And here are the tips promised at the beginning of the video, which can truly be transformative in improving your quality of life and effectively dealing with arthritis. 1. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to strengthen the muscles around the joints and increase flexibility. 2. If necessary, work towards achieving a healthy body weight, as excess weight can burden the joints and worsen arthritis symptoms. 3. Prioritize adequate sleep, as rest is crucial for joint recovery and repair. 4. Manage stress through techniques such as meditation, yoga, or relaxing hobbies, as chronic stress can contribute to inflammation. 5. Consider adding natural anti-inflammatory supplements to your diet, such as fish oil, curcumin, and ginger, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. However, it's essential to remember that individual cases of arthritis may vary, and it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or doctor for personalized advice and guidance tailored to your specific needs and condition. Now, click on the playlist to explore foods with no carbs and no sugar, embracing a healthier and happier life.